Magnesium is essential for muscle function, heart health, and energy production, and nuts and seeds are some of the best natural sources. Here are 11 nuts and seeds that are high in magnesium. 1. Pumpkin seeds, pepitas. They contain approximately 150 to 170 mg per 28 grams or 1 ounce. There is an additional bonus of being one of the richest sources of magnesium, as they are also high in zinc and antioxidants which help neutralize free radicals that can harm our bodies. 2. Chia seeds. They contain approximately 95 mg per 28 grams. An additional bonus is the fact that they are loaded with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. 3. Almonds contain approximately 75 to 80 mg per 28 grams with an added bonus of containing heart-healthy fats and vitamin E. 4. Cashews contain approximately 74 to 80 mg per 28 grams of magnesium. A bonus benefit is their creamy texture, which makes them suitable for various food application in addition to being also high in copper. 5. Flax seeds, which contain approximately 110 mg per 2 tablespoons, ground, with an added bonus of being great for hormone balance and rich in omega-3 fatty acids. 6. Sunflower seeds contain approximately 91 mg per 28 grams with an additional bonus of being packed with vitamin E and selenium. 7. Sesame seeds contain approximately 100 mg per 28 grams and are also a good source of calcium and iron. 8. Brazil nuts contain approximately 107 mg magnesium per 28 grams, which is about 6 nuts. They are also very high in selenium too, although one still needs to consume them in moderation. 9. Hemp seeds contain approximately 210 mg of magnesium per 3 tablespoons. An extra bonus is their balanced omega-3 to omega-6 ratio. 10. Pine nuts contain approximately 71 mg magnesium per 28 grams and are also great in pesto, and rich in monounsaturated fats. 11. Walnuts contain approximately 45 mg per 28 grams and are high in plant-based omega-3 fatty acids. Do you want a list of easy ways to include these in daily meals or smoothies? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.